Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this coffee table. This piece features Walker Edison's easy assembly technology, which means fewer parts, less frustration, and no additional tools required. Estimated time for assembly is 20 minutes or less, so let's get into it. First we'll start by taking one of our sides, standing it up so that the feet are facing down. We'll put a dowel into this middle hole here, and then we'll line that up with our next side. Then we could take our bolt, making sure to put the lock washer on first and the flat washer on next. And then we'll insert this through the side without the threads into the side that does have them. And we'll put a bolt into both the top and bottom holes. Okay, once those are tight, we'll repeat this process for the rest of our sides. Putting the dowel in first, lining up the next side, inserting 2 bolts. All right, once we have all of our sides attached and fully tightened, then we can take our bottom panels and we'll insert this so that this bump out is facing down and the finished edge is facing up. So slide this in and push it up flush against the side. And then we'll put on the other half. Once that's in and flush, then we'll take our top pieces. We'll flip these over so this open end is facing inwards. We'll fit that on top and we'll add the other half. And then we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new coffee table. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to walkeredison.com.